Guess who's back, Power Rangers? Your old nemesis, Master Vader. Challenging the Power Rangers is a bad idea. The good doctors Foley and Brenner are right, my lord. You should reconsider. Do not question me, Fire Lord Azulon and General Fong, and I don't care what Dr. Foley or Dr. Brenner says. The Power Rangers have crossed the line. They will pay the price. So you're back now, Darth Vader. First you try to harm the cats of the world, and now you want to harm dogs? It's morphin time. Chihuahua, Red Dog Ranger, German Shepherd, Blue Dog Ranger, Doberman, Black Dog Ranger, Poodle, Pink Dog Ranger, Golden Retriever, Yellow Dog Ranger, Dalmatian, Green Dog Ranger, Barking with Might, ready to fight, Power Rangers Dog Defenders. First I'm fighting cats, now I'm fighting dogs. How amusing. Fire Lord Azulon, General Fong, Dr. Foley, Dr. Brenner, destroy them. Time to put these puppies in the pound. We're taking you to the vet. You will not cause harm to any more dogs of this world. You've barked up the wrong tree, Power Rangers Dog Defenders. We will meet again.